or Mr. U fills it. It is a matter of filling this place. It doesn't matter, let me clear you, it doesn't matter. Either Mr. A brings Mr. D or Mr. U brings Mr. D. It doesn't matter. The filling of this place is necessary. It can be filled either by Mr. A or it can be filled either by Mr. U. For example, Mr. A brought Mr. C and Mr. U brought Mr. D. On the other morning, whenever Mr. A woke up and he saw that I had brought only Mr. C, another person is here who is Mr. D, and he was very much happy about that. He called Mr. U and thanked Mr. U for bringing Mr. D. Mr. U said some beautiful words. Let me clear those words to you. Mr. U said to Mr. A, there's nothing to thank because together we grow. Together we grow is the slogan of the company. That means Mr. U helped Mr. A by filling this place. Mr. U said nothing to say thank you Mr. A because together we grow is the slogan of the company. Mr. U said to Mr. A that as this is your place, it is also my place. If I have filled this, so there's nothing to say thank you. On the other hand, Mr. B is a very hard working person, and by coming on the other day or day after tomorrow, he joined Mr. E and F. He is very sharp, he worked very hard, and he joined both of them. So now you can see with your eyes that this is you, this is your satellite, that means line of control. This is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Now you have blocked 1, 2, 3 entries on your left hand side, 1, 2, 3 entries on your right hand side. That means Mr. U has brought 3 on left, 3 on right. This is called 3 on left, 3 on right plan. I hope that you have understood what I wanted to and what does the plan basically means. By completing 3 on left, 3 on right, Mr. U will be completing the plan of the company and will be getting $30 commission on completing 3 on left and 3 on right. This is the basic plan of the company. Now, this was a figure, this was a diagram, just to show you what does 3 by 3A plan means. Now, I would like to erase this and show you the basic working of this tree. Now the working of the tree this is called gold tree, the working of gold tree. With the help of the diagram, I would like to show you the basic working of this gold tree. Sir, as I told you earlier, either by paying $60 or by paying $10, that means $70, you can join the company and the company offers you an office on this net. This is your center line, this is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. I would like to make one thing clear here, that as you have your head here and left hand side, right hand side, similarly this person will have his head here and this is his center line, this is his left and this is again his right. Again this person will have his head here, he will have his left hand side here and right hand side here. I would like to make this tree up to that extent, after which you can understand this tree easily. Now pretend that all of these entries are empty except Mr. U. Only Mr. U has joined and his tree is empty. No entry is there. One thing more, company is a very friendly company and it realizes that it is no doubt a very difficult work for any person just to enter the company and bring these 6 persons at a time. No doubt, whenever a person starts working, it is a hard work for him to do. So the company, by realizes that any person who joins the company, it's really hard work for him to bring 3, that is 6 persons at a time, because it is the initial stage. By understanding this, the company asks us, what about this? Just at the time of joining, the company offers that, just neglect this, what about this? So any normal person would say, it is much easier than before. While before he was bringing 3 on left, 3 on right, that is 6 persons. Now he just has to bring 4 persons, that means 2 on left and 2 on right. Company says, let it go, just forget it. What about this? Obviously, every person will say, it is much easier than before. Much easier than before means by bringing 3 by 3, that is 6 persons. By bringing 2 or 2, 4 persons, this is much easier. That means you have to bring 1 on left, 1 on right. Sir, company offers this plan, which is known as Gold Motivation Step. In short, we call it GMS. G stands for Gold, M stands for Motivation, and S stands for Step. G, Gold, M stands for Motivation, S stands for Step. Every person, each and every person, whenever enters into this company or joins this company, has this offer with him. Company offers him not to bring 3 and 3, not to bring 2 and 2, just to bring 1 on his left, 1 on his right, and this option is available to each and every person upon joining this company. This is once for a lifetime. Whenever a newcomer comes, he is fascinated with this Gold Motivation Step, which is known as GMS. He just had to bring 1 person on his left and 1 person on his right. By completing 1 on left, 1 on right, the company will pay you the same promised commission, that is $30. So, let me clear you with the help of this diagram. This is Mr. U. Just pretend that Mr. U is you, and you have joined the company by understanding the whole procedure, the whole working of this company with the help of your seniors. You have joined this company, and after joining, the company has offered you this plan, GMS, for the very first time. You came in the company, and you, after joining, you brought 2 persons, for example, Mr. Tick here and Mr. Tick here. You may take 1 day, you may take 2 days, you may take 2 months, you may take 2 years, you may take 10 years to complete this one. It depends upon you. The company says that this is your own office and your efforts will be for you. If you want to earn more, then obviously you have to work more. So, while joining the company, Mr. U was offered this GMS, and Mr. U in few days completed his 1 on left, 1 on right, and by bringing 1 on left, 1 on right, Mr. U has completed this offer, and by completing this offer, company will give him $30 commission on Monday morning. Let me clear you one thing more, that this commission that the company gives is not a monthly commission, neither it is a weekly, it is a bi-monthly commission. Basically, it is a weekly commission. That means whenever you complete the saying of the plan, you can get commission on each Monday. Let me tell you one thing more, that this $30 has been achieved by Mr. U on the Monday by completing 1 on left, 1 on right. Now since Mr. U has used his